may bago silang system na yung kapag hindi ka nadadaan sa agent, pasok ka lang sa website ng WPC. GCash. Pasok ako sa GCash. Pagpasok ko sa GCash ngayon, may nakalagay doon na button na GCash Live. Pag pinindot ko yun, lalabas na doon yung Pitmaster. So pag pinindot ko Pitmaster, doon ako idadalhin sa website ng Pitmaster. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. But you are already outside the GCash platform, Your Honor. When you start playing Isapo.
Outside your platform, but through you, naka-enter ako
It is
sa
redirected.
sugal na yun.
It is redirected to the platform.
You're redirected, but through you. Hindi, wala mang ibang nag-redirect sa akin, sa inyo man.
Yes, Your
Di
Honor,
ba?
but it is already a caution to the customer that you are no longer within the GCash platform.
Wow, iwas pusoy kayo dyan. Otherwise, kung iwas pusoy kayo, hindi na kayo pumasok dyan. Kasi through you pumasok ako sa GCash.
Yes,
Pagpasok ko sa GCash, binigyan niyo ako ng button na GCash Live. Tapos pagpindot ko doon, nakikita ko Pitmaster. Pagpindot ko sa Pitmaster, redirected ako doon. Pero through you pa rin, dumaan pa rin ko sa inyo.
Just like any other merchants, Your Honor. Kung sa fast food, doon naman, sila naman nagtitake ng order niyo hindi naman ang GCash. Sa bayad lang po ang GCash mapasok.
Hindi na ako makipagdebate sa'yo, pareho tayo ng ulo Baka lalo tayo magkakalbo nito kung hindi natin makita yung 34 ka tao na nawawala. Dahil dyan sa... Anyway. Sir, go ahead, sir.
Yeah. During the last hearing, si Mr. Inonog, the father of one or two victims, yung nag-disappear, provided the PNP as well as the committee with names and photographs of the security personnel. Kasama ba yung sa na-invite natin, Mr. Chairman? Yung na-provide ni Mr. Inonog?
I presume, sir, dahil nilapitan na si IDG yun, di ba? Si IDG, nilapitan niyo si Inonog dito, di ba? Kinuha niyo yung picture at mga pangalan. Nilapitan niyo dito. Kasama ba yun?
Yes, Your Honor. We invited those security personnel that was mentioned by Mr. Inonog.
Okay.
You
However,
invited to appear where?
on
No, no.
today's hearing, sir.
Hindi. Yung committee mag-invite sa kanila.
Yes, sir. We
You
are the ones
provided the
who
names?
delivered the invitation, sir.
Okay. You are tasked to deliver the invitation.
Yes, sir.
Are they here, Mr. Chairman?
Yes, sir.
Are they here? At least the three, mga 3 or 4.
Hindi natin alam, sir, dahil 7 lang yung andito ngayon ang mga pangalan. Ang dito ngayon is Virgilio Bayog, Mark Carlo Zabala, Robert Matiliano Jr. Tatlo yan. Plus, page 1. Ito sila lahat. Yan yung nakakuha na sa EDD. Ito, inibitahan sila. Kaso ang nandito lang ngayon, si Bayog, Sabala, at si Matiliano. Si Blair Codilla, Benji Itaw, Rocky Anding, Pakot, no? Rocky Anding, and Nancy De Leon ay wala. Your Honor. Yes, according to the Secretariat, sir, lahat ng binigay ng CIDG na names na dapat imbitahan, na all in all, 30, ilan sila na? At around 30 plus, 7 lang ang dumating, Your Honor.
So among the 7, nandun ba yung binigay ng pangalan sa kanila? Among those 7 present, ilan yung...
Ay, ito tatlo na, sir.
Inonog?
Si Bayog, si Sabala, at si Matiliano. Nandito ngayon. Papatawag natin.
Yeah, maybe we can call them.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Chairman, before we proceed,
Yeah.
I understand earlier the director of the CIDG already mentioned that they would be filing a complaint with respect to the Manila Arena case because according to them, they have a witness and they have already positive identification 6 out of 14 of this alleged suspect. And according also to the director, that these were allegedly security personnel of the Manila Arena. Mr. Chairman, my concern here is that considering that there is already the CIDG has already established a case against this security personnel, would it be there, Mr. Chairman? Yeah. My
Continue.
concern here, Mr. Chairman, is that their rights might be affected if they would be asked to testify now, because considering that at first positive identification of the others alleged suspects of the CIDG has not yet been established. Second, Mr. Chairman, of course, their right against self-incrimination during these proceedings might also be affected if they would be asked to testify, considering that, as mentioned, the CIDG has already established their case, and most likely they'll be filing a formal criminal complaint against whoever this security personnel. Although the CIDG director has not yet named them, but nevertheless, this security personnel who were invited and voluntarily accepted this committee's invitation might be incriminated in subsequent proceedings to be filed, or in the case to be filed by the CIDG. That is my only concern, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah, Senator Lacson will answer your
Yung rights nila will be respected, ano? Yung invocation of their right against self-incrimination is on a case-to-case basis. If they don't want to answer any question, they may not answer. But it could not be a blanket invocation of the right against self-incrimination. So much so na hindi pa nga na-file ng CIDG yung kaso. And this is a legislative inquiry in aid of legislation. Ang ginagawa ng CIDG is a criminal investigation. Those are two different matters. Now, if they sit here and they don't want to answer any particular question, then they can invoke their right against self-incrimination. Yun nga role dapat ng council. Ang problema yung council na inuupo dito.
That is my concern, Mr. Chairman. They
So their
voluntarily
rights will be respected. That we assure you. We will not force them to answer questions that might incriminate themselves.
Yes, Mr.
We've
Chairman.
done that before so many times.
My concern here, Mr. Chairman, I understand it, Mr. Chairman, and thank you. But my concern here, Mr. Chairman, is they went here voluntarily without being assisted by counsel, because they understand that it is a mere invitation. That's why they went here. So if they will be asked to sit down right now, they are not assisted by counsel, Mr. Chairman.
Bakit hindi nyo pinasamahan ng council?
Because we are made to understand that this is just a invitation wherein they'll be able to explain their duties and responsibilities. But considering, Mr. Chairman, that like I said, the CIDG has already mentioned that a case will be filed most likely by next week. I'm sure Mr. Chairman, they should be assisted by counsel if they wish to be interrogated by this committee.
andito ka man, Attorney Santos. Can you not act as their temporary counsel?
I cannot, Mr. Chairman, because I
Mr.
belong to the
Chairman,
management.
I'm sorry, Tony. Mr. Chairman, kung wala silang counsel, we can provide.
Okay, we can provide a counsel.
We can
Meron tayong mga lawyers sa Senate.
Yeah, what is
We can
important
advise
is that they can answer questions na gusto na sagutin. Pag hindi na gusto sagutin, then alam mo naman, they can invoke their right of self-incrimination. Ang importante lang is hindi masayang itong hearing na ito. Alam nyo, sinit natin itong hearing na ito para sila makapagsalita dahil wala sila nung first hearing. Ngayon, sinit natin ito. Ngayon, hindi na naman natin pa-upuin dito. Sayang. Sayang itong hearing na ito. Andiyan ka naman, pwede mo naman siguro sila ikusyon na ganito, hanggang ganito lang sabihin nyo. Kung may
Yes,
commit, huwag na.
Before we proceed, Mr. Chairman, may we be given at least 5 minutes? May I be given 5 minutes just to explain the subsequent proceedings and their respective rights?
Chairman, Yeah, before I answer you, Senator
I
Tolentino.
agree with the comments coming from Senator Lacson that these are two different proceedings in aid of legislation and the criminal investigation, and the proposition that the committee can provide the counsel can be done, Mr. Chairman. It has been done before, so I don't see any impediment relative to the right against self-incrimination. But I agree likewise that they can confer with Attorney Santos, and with the caveat that perhaps Attorney Santos should be candid enough not to prevent the witnesses from uh, remaining silent. So 5 minutes probably, Mr. Chairman, is sufficient time enough for that.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, just 5 minutes.
And
Yes,
and for the record, Mr. Chairman, it should be likewise reflected that Mr. Attorney Santos would confer with the witnesses, the resource persons, acting as a counsel, as an attorney of the corporation.
I would not say that I'm acting as their personal counsel for this personal,
Because
Mr.
you're
Chairman.
providing legal advice.
I would, in this case, I would inform them of their right in these proceedings
The-
as advice.
The committee will do that. The committee will do that for you. The lawyers to be assigned by the committee, it can be two, will do that for you.
If that's the
Attorney,
pleasure of this
you
committee.
cannot have the best of both worlds, ano? You said, hindi naman ikaw ang counsel, pero gusto mo silang bigyan ng counsel.
No, Mr. Chairman, I was informing this committee that before proceeding with this case,
So
and
what's your legal personality to advise them of their rights if you are not admitting that you're the counsel?
because earlier, Mr. Chairman, this committee told me that they'll be given the chance to be informed before we proceed of their
We'll
respective
give you
rights.
that.
That's why I volunteered, Mr. Chairman. That is out of as a member of the profession, I could always
Okay.
give them
So we can,
advice.
with the permission of the chair, we can give you that. We'll call them in, and then you can confer for 5 minutes.
Yes,
We'll allow you.
the pleasure of this committee is that tawagin
Philippine Cockfighting International.
you are the president.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So may share ka ba sa committee na ito? Anything that you can help us craft measures or the regulation of Isabong?
Well, nothing really, sir. Nothing because
So just in case makapag-decide yung PAGCOR na talagang i-stop yung operations ng Isabong, what can you say? Okay ka lang?
well, actually, sir, we're just new in the Isabong. We started October 31st. So we've not really had that much experience yet. We're still struggling. We're still new. So obviously we still need to recover. But that's all I can say, sir.
Okay. So maraming salamat po. Senator Tolentino.
Ma'am, just one question. You mentioned that you're still new in this field, but apparently you're not one of those who continuously fail to remit the 75 million pesos per month. So would that goes to show that your business is flourishing right now, that you are able to remit the same amount to PAGCOR every month?
Sir, we're actually still having we're not making our numbers yet. We just started last October 31st. So we're still struggling, sir.
Of course, you're using the same PayMaya GCash platform.
Sir, no, we don't have PayMaya or GCash.
So what are you using?
They have
Bitcoin.
they have their agents way of sending, sir, like the old ways. We don't have GCash. We don't have PayMaya.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat. Meron pa bang iba dito na licensing? Representative ng mga kumpanya?